Hi, welcome. I'm Jan Marini, the founder of Jan Marini Skin Research. You have been asking for a segment on skincare management, the accelerators and order of application. So today I'm going to talk about my philosophy behind skincare management, a little bit about the products, the accelerators, and the order of application. The skincare management system is the basic program. That's where everyone starts. Everyone goes on skincare management, and it consists of 5 products. And I like to refer to it as layered technology. You cannot put all ingredients into one product. Now, I know there's a lot of manufacturers that would like you to think that that's possible, but there are a lot of different prohibitive issues. First of all, some ingredients aren't compatible. They may render each other inactive. Some ingredients need a higher pH, some ingredients need a lower pH. You only have 100% to make a formula, and 50% of your formula is going to be water. Water solubilizes the formula. Think about trying to bake a cake without any liquid. You only have 50% left. What if you have some ingredients that take 20% or 10%? And when you think of that huge ingredient listing, it is not possible to have efficacy if you don't have the appropriate percentages. And also there are different manufacturing processes for different ingredients, whether it is heat or speed or other aspects that retain efficacy. So, by segregating these ingredients into different products, we're able to maintain the highest efficacy and the greatest benefit. So here's a brief overview of the skincare management system. The first product in the skincare management system is the bioglycolic facial cleanser. Now I want to point out the system comes with very explicit, thorough directions. But I'm going to point a couple of things out. The bioglycolic facial cleanser is designed to be used and applied without water. Do not wet your face first. Now I know this is counterintuitive, but if you've ever taken and put water on top of oil, it just beads up. So we want it to come in direct contact with the skin, the makeup, debris, oil. You take an amount about the size of a quarter, apply it to the face, work it around thoroughly. Get in all the little nooks and crannies. It'll probably work up a little bit of a lather. If you want to use water at that point, you can, but here's what I recommend. Take a washcloth, always use lukewarm or tepid water, wring it out, and use it to very thoroughly, gently remove the cleanser. But at the same time, you can buff just a little bit and it will pick up the dead cells, and your skin should feel extremely clean and soft and smooth and glowing. And this is one of the most gentle cleansers that you can possibly use on your face. Step number 2, and you can put this on right afterwards, just blot your face, is siesta. I take just a few drops in the palm of my hand. This is applied all over to the entire face, underneath the eyes, across the brow bone, on the neck, and behind the ears. And you need just a little bit. So don't take it and go like this. Put some in your hand and dip your fingers in and do one side of the face, the other side of the face, around the eyes, the lower part, the neck, and behind the ears. This is a product that is dramatically effective for the appearance of contours and tightening of the skin. 2 primary technologies, lipid-soluble C, vitamin C, and something called dimethylaminoethanol, DMAE. The third product in the system is the BioClear. BioClear consists of glycolic, salicylic, and azelaic acid. And when you put these 3 acids together, the skin takes on a luminous, smooth, polished glow for virtually any skin type. Now this is in the instructions, but I'm going to point it out anyway, and that is that BioClear for the first week is only applied once per day. Week 2, the application is AM and PM, and you just simply take a small amount. It goes over the entire face. Avoid the lower eyelids, and it is also not applied to the neck area. You put just a little bit in the palm of the hand and apply it all over the face, a little bit at a time, and then you can immediately go on to the next product. And the next product is called Transformation. Now I refer to Transformation as a hydrator, but really it's another vehicle for more technology. And the 2 primary technologies in Transformation are transferrin growth factor beta 1 and thymosin beta 4. And there's also a whole host of supporting actives that really make this dramatically effective for hydration, but also a product that's exceptional for anti-aging. And finally, our SPF 33 antioxidant daily face protectant. Now, I cannot stress enough how important sun protection is. This is not just a cosmetic issue, this is a health issue. And only 33% of Americans wear sunscreen on a consistent basis. It is not that we're stupid. We know intellectually that it is so important to protect our skin. The reason why we don't, number one reason, we don't like how sunscreen feels. So I want to tell you, this sunscreen is outstanding in terms of the feel. I wear it indoors even when I'm not wearing makeup because my skin feels better and it looks better. This has an oil capture system. If you have an oilier skin or your skin is combination or it's a humid day, it has an almost unlimited capacity to absorb oil, but it does not absorb water and it does not absorb actives. On the other hand, if you have dry skin, it leaves it feeling soft, silky, and glowing. And there are other supporting players in this product which are wonderful skin conditioning and anti-aging ingredients. So keep in mind, the system is the basic starting point for everyone. Everyone goes on the system. And one of the most important questions that I ask, and if you've watched my YouTube videos before, this is the first thing that I ask. If there was something you could change or improve about your skin, what would it be? Now, that's not to determine whether or not you go on the system, but it's to determine specific concerns and the things that somebody really wants to address. And that's where the accelerators come in, because everybody's on the system. But what if somebody has a specific concern about acne, or brown discoloration, or redness associated with rosacea, or other aging concerns? And that's where the accelerators come in. So this is very, very simple. Everyone goes on the system, and then there are accelerators that can address specific issues. And these accelerators can be layered. You can use a number of different accelerators at one time. There is no limitation to the number of accelerators you can use or whether or not one accelerator is compatible with another. Order of application. The third product in the system is BioClear. So we consider that product number 3. When using accelerators, think of accelerators as 3.5. They go in between BioClear and in between transformation, regardless of the accelerator. That's all you have to remember. I want to encourage you to go to our corporate website where you can see much more detailed information as well as before and after pictures. I really hope that this has been helpful today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please subscribe.